Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. So you want to do some painting. Whether it's for one room or a full remodel's worth of rooms, there are 1,000,001 options out there and it definitely takes a hot minute to figure out what you want. Once you've got that figured out and the job completed, then what? Well, save yourself some future heartache with a little preemptive organizing. Yes, it's fantastic to work up a spreadsheet to list what was used where. But why not make it even easier? As you're painting your rooms out, save all the paint stirrers, the free ones you get when you buy the paint, and write all the relevant info on them. Besides having all the color info, you'll have a sample of the color to refer to and use as a color match if you ever need it again. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.